Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator.
This video is to demonstrate how to send a tender from the route board. There are a few different ways we can do this. As you can see, we have two loads here that have a blue button for send tender. So I can select this blue button. It's going to have an email attached already that's set up in the tender configuration. You can also send it to another email. Select send. That will tender your load. Now you can see here it shows it is in tendered status, and the next activity is book. The other ways that you can do this is you can hover over the carrier, and there is a tender button here, which will bring up the same information as the blue button. Go ahead and click it. You can see that as well. But before I do that, I also want to point out that if you had more than one load that you wanted to tender, you can also do it as a mass action by selecting this box in your mass actions drop down. We're going to select tender and then select yes. Okay, and we can see here now that this load is also tendered. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.